Come on, you can do this.
मत कर आप शोल्डर्स को पूरा
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Couple and couple.
क्या करने आए आज?
Today it's like 8 a.m. in the morning on Sunday and we're going to be doing yoga.
Yoga नहीं, it's basically
Let's see
yoga.
let's see what is it called?
It's called ice plunge. Of course, मैंने ही तेरे को बताया. You're asking.
No, it's called cold water immersion therapy.
इसने ना guys पहले गूगल कर लिया अभी. मैं वही सोचा क्या कर रही है वॉशरूम में ये कर रही थी.
It's called an ice plunge. Cold water plunge.
Cold water, basically ठंडे पानी में सुबह सुबह डुबकी मारनी है.
I think we should practice this every day. What do you think?
Ice के साथ?
Yeah.
You'll get the ice.
So yeah, I think Jigar and Jigar's entire family were going down in his
So
building.
one of my friend only, he's organizing this workshop in my building. So we are like, let's try something new
And
for us.
it's the first time we're doing it.
Yeah,
so
both of us, you have also
he's
never
so
done
damn
it.
scared already. He shat 5 times now.
नीचे देखते हैं guys, अभी नीचे इसका रिएक्शन देखते हैं कैसे इसको भी फटती है अंदर जाके.
I'm matching with Ivy. When you're doing anything with Jigar, you will always end up being late. So it was supposed to start at 8 and we've still not got down. It's 8:15. No, I have an idea. We'll put the mat like this and all our heads will be on it and body can be on the floor. It's a good idea.
हाँ, keep it हाँ. गुजराती लोग है ना किसमें भी हाँ बोल सकते हैं. Let's go sir. Sir all set sir. Let's go gang.
भैया बराबर से करो.
हाँ करता हूँ. बस.
यार क्या sweating?
What do you mean by yuck?
आपने बोला 8 बजे चालू होने वाला है. 9 बज गया है.
काला कट्टा होना काला कट्टा फटाफट तोड़.
My audience doesn't understand कच्ची.
ब्रेकफास्ट
Jigar and mine put only little ice.
ये तेरा में इधर क्या गोला सोडा बना रहा है क्या?
अरे but mine only put so much. मुझे भी एक काला खट्टा.
15 रुपए.
Let's go मैं. क्या बात है? Let's go आस्था. One, go for it. Is it cold? इतना नहीं हाँ अभी तक.
What bullshit, it's very cold.
तो जा एक बार पूरा जा अभी. Fine.
Stronger with every breath.
Let's go.
To motivate each other.
आस्था.
Guys, 1 minute done.
अभी थोड़ा इधर भी करें ऐसा से. इधर भी इसे बस. नहीं you can do it आस्था. Come on. Just keep breathing and shut your eyes. Let's go आस्था. Breathe. Honey bee आस्था honey bee.
Okay, good. जिगर डाल तू पूरा.
भाई आस्था चलो. आस्था चलो थोड़ा.
1, 2, 3.
Like full inside.
Yeah, just go
If you
complete.
want, if you feel like, okay, no forcing, no fighting.
Let's
guys.
go 3, 2, 1.
One more day.
Damn. Good one. ठीक है इधर आके ऐसा उड़ी तोड़ी मारा है. जल्दी ब्रीदिंग करो फास्ट. 3, 2. हाँ स्क्वाट में ये देखो ऐसे. ये मम्मी तो एक नंबर सुबह फुल. ये क्या है आस्था? आ जा ही रही है. और तू ये शोल्डर्स क्या मूव कर रही है ऐसा? ये क्या आस्था? व्हाट इज दिस? कर. हाँ ब्रो. कम ऑन 5, 6 and go.
How was the experience first time?
Too good. I can do it again.
Auntie to killed it, huh? She to passed out, I think, in the water. Now I forgive Jigar for everything he's done.
Asta has released all the emotional trauma that Jigar may or might have caused.
I agree.
No, but I am not agreed with this view.
Give at least Jigar water being like this. Give one hug. I won't talk to you otherwise.
Don't talk. Right now,
Give one hug.
अभी नहीं. मत कर रहा.
Give one hug.
कोई पंच दे देगा मैं आइस प्लंज. ऐसा मत कर. हाँ योगा के टाइम मेरे को डिस्टर्ब मत. अरे रुको रे. बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ डाल दिया.
बस नहीं करना. मत उधर.
मत डाल. अरे बहुत तू बैठ के ना तेरी बॉडी अंदर तू
सेंसेशन
ना किया ना
वाइब्रेशन वो सब जाम है भाई थोड़ा प्लीज जूम आउट आई एम
No, it's in 0.5. Don't worry.
दिस इज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस
Go.
ओके सुपर
Go inside, Jigar. Come on.
अरे तू स्ट्रांग है जिगर अपन रोज जिम जाते भाई लेग्स को अंडी वांडी मारो
Andy,
क्रॉस लेग्स जिगर फोकस
Yeah, put your hands inside.
गाइस यू हैव टू कम एंड डू दैट
Okay.
little bit help you have to do he will not put
एक मिनट आराम से रुको वेट
after you do he'll put
वेट अरे रुको तुम लोग मम्मी अभी ना मम्मी
Yes, continue.
मम्मी ना मत अभी मत डाल 1 मिनट रुक जाओ भी तुम लोग मत करो रुको
अब यार सुपर वीर थोड़ा नीचे परफेक्ट जिगर इनहेल एक्सेल थोड़ा नीचे परफेक्ट जिगर
Let's go, brother.
वन एक्सीलेंट सुपर कम ऑन जिगर
You are all good?
टू गुड गाइस यू कैन लिटरली सी मेरा गूज़बम्स अभी तक है निकल रही बात भी
It's okay.
बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को लग रहा था मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा बट आई एम हैप्पी थैंक यू सो मच आस्था आज मैंने सब मेरा स्ट्रेस निकाल दिया इसने जितना भी अभी तक लाइफ में दिया है तो मेरा थोड़ा इधर तक लेना है इसके नीचे ना
Show that gym body, man. Don't. It's okay. Ashirwad, I'll give you. Don't worry. Don't touch my feet. Yeah, it's okay. I understand. It's okay.
ice plunge is a very good thing.
It's called cold water immersion therapy.
Same thing guys, copy paste. But I think everyone should do it. And बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मज़ा आ गया लाइफ में मैंने पहले ये कभी नहीं किया था मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था आई एम श्योर रास्ता का भी फर्स्ट टाइम था
We now have to go for round 2, which I think is more challenging, but I think I've got this.
Come on, slowly. Let's go. Asa, don't come up. ऐसा
लगेगा मैं almost give up करने वाली थी.
don't. Go slowly and just sit for. Slowly put your hand. Go slowly. Breathe. Good, Asta. Come on.
You see the sun is coming up. You can take your head back, relax your shoulders.
Too good, Asta. Too good. Yeah, just keep it inside now. Don't move. Just keep it there only. Perfect. And you can do this. It's fine. See, the more you move, और ठंडी लगे. I know. Trust me. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Let's go, Asta. Let's go.
He's super strong.
Nice one. Just keep breathing.
You have to go beyond this. But
Come
go
on.
beyond. Asa, you want more ice? You can take some more ice. Asa, you can do it.
Come on, one dip.
One last inhale and exhale and stay there and breathe now. Super. Just stay
Nice
there.
one.
Excellent. Breathe. Super. चारों ने लिया है. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Genuinely say your first time and now this time. Was there a difference?
10x difference.
10x, no? Was this good?
Yeah, but like my full body is like there's like someone.
It's
with
numb,
some
na?
shock inside it.
Yeah.
And like it's very relaxing, but like first 2-3 minutes is crazy.
But that time you thought that you were gonna give up.
Yeah. But once you set it, it's fine.
Yeah. मस्ती नहीं अच्छे से बता सबको फॉर्म बता ये क्या ऐसा लल्लू जैसा क्या हु कर रही है गुड वन
Thanks.
प्राउड ऑफ यू नाइस वन
We have
हेवी ब्रीदिंग मोती
आप shoulders को पूरा relax करो.
आराम से
स्लोली
और भैया अंदर
Round 2.
ये बहुत ठंडा है, ये बहुत ठंडा है।
नीचे चलो, बैठ जाओ, इसको नीचे रखो।
I don't think you are a window.
Even same thing happened to me.
It's extremely cold.
पकड़
Slowly अंदर जाना।
feel it, are you feeling it? Super amazing.
This one is too cold. I don't think I'm coming out.
No, you cannot come out.
Asta, trust me.
It's fine. Go slowly.
Wait.
Don't remove your hands once you put. Don't come
I'm
out.
not coming out. I'm here only. I'm just going down more. The best. इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं जाएगा। बहुत फ्रीजिंग है।
ऊपर ना guys, ऊपर देखो।
Very good, Jigar. Proud of you.
अगर उसने बोला इधर स्ट्रेस रहता है वो रिलीव होना चाहिए।
Very good, stay there. Wait.
Wait, Jigar, what is this? I also stayed, yaar.
एक मिनट।
नहीं।
But why did you give up? Just stand in the sun now. You'll feel better. And you have to do that stretching, so you'll feel better.
Come on, Asta, you can do it. Crazy.
You can do it. If you want, you can go in slowly. If you want. Sexy Asta, crazy.
Just did round 3, guys, for around like 10 minutes, I think. And I killed it, I think. But this is something I think I can do like often now because it feels so like nice. And right now I'm just shivering. Bye. I've literally become like full red. I don't know if you can see. I'm sure you can see. I've become like a Red Riding Hood. You didn't do round 3.
I couldn't.
You gave
I'm
up.
not mentally strong.
Jigar, you can. Yeah.
बहुत खतरनाक है। My 2 times were pretty good. I don't think there's need for another round. वो अभी मेंस का इतना ही कैपेसिटी है ना?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
अभी ने बोला है कि विमेन लोग थोड़े ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग है।
They are more expressive.
They are more
So
expressive.
they release their emotions.
Fair.
They hold the emotions.
That's actually true.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. Hi guys, we're back home. And first you say, how was your experience?
It was too good. Right now, actually, it has almost been like 2 hours. So now the body is saying that go for a sleep.
Yeah, because it feels very tiring
Yeah.
after a while. Though it's like energetic and refreshing and stress free, but the body just feels tired.
Yeah.
Though Jigar gave up in round 3. Guys, I did round 3 for like 11 minutes, which is quite cool. In the second one, I was dying.
Yeah.
Second
And
one,
I didn't
was
expect
dying.
that Asta round 3 करेगी भी.
And I did it in the blue bucket,
Yeah,
which was
blue
colder.
bucket उल्टा ज़्यादा ठंडा था.
Yeah.
और black वाला थोड़ा aesthetic वाला था.
But that his friend also said like women generally end up doing it more because they express a lot and they like
Go through a lot.
and no and
getting
they
there.
and they release their like emotions, you know, and men generally keep it within them, so that's why.
I have so much stress that सब नहीं हुआ एक
What
time पे.
stress you have? Say what stress you have. Say what stress you have.
This is the stress I'm talking about.
Yeah, but I would actually suggest you guys to do this because it's a very, very good experience. Some people just do it like, some people just do 2 dips and some people do like 3 drips.
Drips.
3 dips. And I think we can do it like once or twice a month now. What do you think?
Every weekend we should do it.
हाँ,
एक अभी है ना वो ऐसा टब ले लेते हैं and then घर पे कर लेने का.
भाई बट पानी तो
बहुत ठंडा गाइस, मतलब फट गई थी. मतलब मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस अभी समझाने नहीं होगा, बट आई थिंक यू ऑल शुड डू इट वंस. लाइक wherever you all can do it. घर पे भी कर लो. मैं बोलता हूँ घर पे टब है, ऐसा बड़ा टब ले सकते हैं ना, और घर पे भी कर सकते हैं.
अगर किसी के पास जकूजी टाइप हो तो
हाँ, मतलब जिधर भी जकूजी हो तो क्या है फिर.
वो तो इधर भी है ना, बाहर हॉल में भी दिखा
जकूजी बट मैंने मेरे पर्सनल यूज के लिए रखा है.
ठीक है. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like our video, please go like, share, comment and subscribe to
Kapal on Kapal.